Welcome to the Mitsy Kit Fleece Table Scarf Project instructions. You should have one 13-inch fleece square attached to two 13-inch by 6.5-inch fleece triangles with plastic clips. In addition, you should have two short ribbons, four long ribbons, and one plastic needle. Start by lacing your plastic needle with one of your four long ribbons. You are going to lace on one of the triangles to your 13-inch square. Insert your laced plastic needle into one of the corners of your fleece triangle, going down through the layer with the fleece square, and come over the top and lace down through the subsequent holes. This creates a pretty overcast stitch. Please pause this video to complete overcast stitch from one end of the other of the triangular square. Once you've completed this, you will now lace your second ribbon through your plastic needle and proceed to lace on the second triangular fleece piece to your square on the opposite side. Again, as before, we're going to insert our plastic needle into the far corner, going top down through the fleece and the 13-inch square, over the top of the fabric and down through the subsequent hole, and repeating this until you get to the far end and you've laced on both triangles. Now, if you turn your project right side over and flip your triangular pieces so the points are facing out, you'll see the beginning of your beautiful table scarf. Next, lace your third ribbon through your plastic needle, and you're going to do the overcast stitch on the third side of your fleece square, starting in one of the corners that your prior ribbon was laced up through. Pause again to complete this process. Once you've completed the overcast stitch on this third side, you will want to tie knots in the two corners using the ribbon from the three sides. Next, you will proceed to the fourth side of your fleece square, again to do the overcast stitch using your fourth ribbon. Lace your fourth ribbon and start in the corner hole, again one of the holes where a ribbon was previously coming up through, going top down, and then come up over the border of the square fabric and going down through the subsequent hole and continuing this process until you complete lacing the fourth side of your fleece square with that same pretty overcast stitch. Once completed, again, you're going to tie knots in the two corners. If you like, you can trim the ties on the four corners to make them even. Next, you're going to use your short ribbon, and you're going to lace that through your plastic needle and find the hole in the corner of one of your triangles and insert the needle top down through the hole. Pull the lacing through and even out the tails so that they're equal in length on either side, and make a slip knot with both of the tails. Pull it tight to make a pretty tassel. Pause the video if you need time to complete this. Once you've completed the slip knot tassel for that side of the triangle, you will do the same thing for the triangle on the opposite side. Take your second short ribbon, lace it through your plastic needle, and proceed to lace top down through the hole in the second triangle. Again, you're going to pull that through and even out your tails so they are about the same length. Create a slip knot, pull it tight, and you have your second tassel. This should complete your beautiful table scarf. We hope you've enjoyed this project. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us at www.mitsykit.org. We have a contact form and our phone number. Happy crafting!